My name is Dugbo Godwin. I'm from Kokwe. Back in 2015, my auntie introduced me to the man. The man sent me to lake for fishing. On the lake, a whole lot of things go on. Sometimes the net tangle at the bottom of the lake, so we have to go down, dive down to remove from the trees, sometimes stones under the lake, and sometimes to be beaten. To them, it's normal beating children there. I'm in the third year there before people came and rescue me, and with my younger brother, with other people.
God loves everybody, and your life is so important to Him. This is why human trafficking and exploitation are serious crimes. Some children are trafficked to the Volta Lake, farmland, and other sectors we cannot mention. These rob the children of their future, and even some of them die in the process. These are crimes against our country and God.
God is a God of justice. Righteousness and justice are the foundations of His throne. If Jesus says, "Let the children come to me," then it is your duty as well as mine to ensure that these children are given the best of treatment. You may think that you are not part of it, but if you refuse to talk, if you refuse to act against this injustice, it means you are also condoning in one way or the other.
Furthermore, trafficking of men and women across and into our borders for sexual and labor exploitation is a disgrace to our beautiful country and an insult to our common humanity. Be aware of these trends. When someone promises to send you out to work, please don't rush to go. Investigate it. When someone promises to take your child to school in another location, investigate it. You can be deceived to find yourself in real disaster.
Let us do the best that we can to be the legs, the hands, and the voice of God, so that we will speak against these inhumane acts.
Together, we can end this problem. Let's support the police and other stakeholders by reporting cases of human trafficking and be guided against the tricks that traffickers use to exploit people. Please, let us end human trafficking now. God bless you.